stop scrolling DIY hacks, because today I've got 10 jaw-dropping tools that will change the way you tackle projects forever. We're talking smarter painting, cleaner cuts, faster fixes, and even trimming trees without leaving the ground. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pro, these gadgets will save you time, effort, and maybe even your sanity. Let's jump straight in. Number 1. Kada Painter's Pyramid Stands. Meet the Kada Painter's Pyramid Stands, a set of 36 mini cones that make painting and finishing projects way easier. Instead of laying your work flat and risking smudges, these pyramids lift it off the surface so you can paint or stain both sides in one go. They're perfect for cabinet doors, furniture, canvas art, or even epoxy pouring. Each pyramid is non-stick, solvent-resistant, and strong enough to hold up to 250 pounds, so heavy projects are no problem. What makes them even smarter is the lock and tab design. You can connect them together or secure them to your work surface for extra stability. And when you're done, they stack neatly for storage and are ready to reuse on your next project. By cutting out drying delays and messy flips, these little stands save you time and keep your finish looking flawless. A small tool with a big impact. Number 2. USASA 9-in-1 Trim Router Jig. Say hello to the USASA 9-in-1 Trim Router Jig, the ultimate multitasker for woodworking. Instead of juggling a pile of bulky jigs, this single station handles it all. Circle cutting from 1 inch up to 15, precision edge guiding, centered mortising, flush trimming, and more. It even transforms your trim router into a stable, portable router table for small parts, giving you pro-level control without the hassle. Built tough, the light version features a CNC machined aluminum top plate that stays rigid and perfectly flat, unlike flimsy plastic alternatives. Makers will love the modular platform with threaded holes, ready for custom fences or add-ons, so you can tailor it to your shop. With a wide footprint and dual grip handles, it keeps even top-heavy cordless routers steady and safe. Plus, the universal mounting pattern fits most compact routers. One jig, endless possibilities. This tool is all about precision, stability, and versatility. Number 3. Wolfcraft Edge Planer. Next up is the Wolfcraft Edge Planer, a compact but powerful tool designed to clean up plasterboard edges with ease. If you've ever cut drywall and been left with sharp or uneven edges, this planer smooths them out in seconds, giving you a safer and more professional finish. It features a 2-component handle with a soft grip zone so it feels comfortable in your hand even during longer projects. The replaceable steel rasp blade ensures durability, and when it eventually wears down, swapping it out is quick and simple, no need to replace the whole tool. Perfect for drywall installation, remodeling, or small repair jobs, the Wolfcraft Edge Planer is lightweight, easy to control, and built for precision. It's one of those tools that doesn't look flashy but makes a huge difference in the quality of your work. A reliable helper for anyone tackling plasterboard projects. Number 4. Wallboard Tools Texture Pro 500 Hopper Gun. Let's talk about the Texture Pro 500 Hopper Gun, a complete wall and ceiling texturing kit made in the USA. This tool is built to save you serious time. Its wide tex orifice delivers a wider spray pattern, giving up to 30% more coverage, which means fewer passes and faster results. It's versatile too. You can spray acoustics, drywall mud, silica sand with primer, waterproofing, concrete overlays, and most other gravity-fed materials. The patented trigger-controlled airflow technology, paired with a comfort grip, ensures consistent texture while letting you work from a smaller air compressor. That's a big win for DIYers who don't want to invest in oversized equipment. The reversible 1.75-gallon hopper minimizes mess when spraying floors or ceilings, and the hopper lid keeps material from drying out mid-project. Durable, efficient, and easy to use, the Texture Pro 500 is a must-have for anyone tackling drywall or decorative finishes. Number 5. Sharpol 194H Whetstone Knife Blade Sharpener. Keeping your blades sharp just got easier with the Sharpol 194H Whetstone Knife Blade Sharpener. This clever guide ensures you always sharpen at the correct angle, anywhere from 15 to 45 degrees, so your knives, chisels, and plane iron blades come out razor sharp every time. It's perfect for beginners who want confidence in their sharpening technique, but it's equally valuable for professionals who demand precision. The adjustable angle makes it versatile enough for a wide range of blades, shapes, and sizes. Plus, the magnetic base keeps the guide securely in place throughout the process, letting you check progress without losing alignment. Built from high-quality materials, the Sharpol 194H is durable and designed to withstand regular use. Whether you're honing woodworking tools or keeping kitchen knives in top condition, this sharpening trainer takes the guesswork out of the process and delivers consistent, long-lasting edges. Number 6. Klein Tools Conduit Measuring Pull Tape. Up next is the Klein Tools Conduit Measuring Pull Tape, built for heavy-duty cable and wire pulling. This isn't your average pull tape. It's woven polyester, designed to disperse load and minimize stretching, so even tough pulls stay smooth and controlled. What makes it especially handy are the easy-to-read markings in 1-foot increments. That means you can measure conduit runs on the fly and know exactly how much tape you've got left to pay out. It's also pre-lubricated, reducing friction and making pulls faster and easier. The tape comes in a bucket for tangle-free dispensing, with a hole in the lid that keeps distribution smooth while doubling as convenient storage. With a tensile strength of 250 pounds, it's ready for serious jobs, and Klein offers multiple strengths and lengths to fit different needs. Durable, efficient, and practical, this pull tape is a real time saver for electricians and DIYers alike. Number 7. Rubely Magnetic Work Light 2-pack. Lighting makes all the difference, and the Rubely Magnetic Work Light delivers it in style. Each light packs up to 500 lumens of ultra-bright illumination, powered by a top-grade cob strip. With a 360-degree rotational foldable design, you can aim the beam exactly where you need it, or fold it down compactly when you're done. These lights are rechargeable with a high-performance battery that runs 5 to 6 hours at max brightness and even longer on lower settings. A digital display shows the real-time battery level, so you'll never get caught off guard by a sudden outage. The super strong magnetic base means true hands-free use, letting you focus fully on the job. Built from all aluminum alloy, they're tough, impact-resistant, and designed for efficient heat dissipation. With 7 lighting modes, including strobe, SOS, and red warning, you're covered for car repairs, emergencies, or any project where reliable light is essential. Number 8. Nipex 2BX Pipe Cutter. Cutting pipes cleanly doesn't have to be a struggle, and the Nipex 2BX Pipe Cutter proves it. With its quick lock adjustment, you can set the cutting wheel using just one hand. Fast, simple, and secure. That means less fiddling and more focus on the job. It's designed to handle copper, brass, and high-grade steel pipes with diameters ranging from 1/4 inch up to 1 3/8 inches. Thanks to high-quality needle bearings, both the cutting wheel and the 4 guide rollers glide smoothly, making every cut precise and effortless. Another smart touch: there's a spare cutting wheel stored right in the handle, so replacements are always within reach. Durable, efficient, and built for professionals, the 2BX Pipe Cutter delivers clean, burr-free cuts every time. Whether you're tackling plumbing repairs or installing new lines, this tool saves time and ensures flawless results. Number 9. Floor Gap Fixer Tool. Unsightly gaps in your laminate or vinyl floors don't mean you need a costly repair. The Floor Gap Fixer Tool is designed for DIYers who want seamless floors without calling in a pro. Built from heavy-duty carbon steel with a durable rubber suction pad, it grips firmly onto smooth, flat planks and lets you tap them back into place with minimal effort. It's perfect for hardwood, laminate, or vinyl plank floors. Just make sure the surface is smooth and the planks are at least 4.5 inches wide for the suction to hold. The raised striking block protects your floors from hammer marks, while the felt pad underneath reduces noise, making the process more comfortable. Strong, reusable, and easy to use, this tool quickly restores the clean, polished look of your flooring. A simple suction and tap mechanism saves time, money, and keeps your home looking flawless. Number 10. 14.5-foot pole saw for tree trimming. Finally, let's look at the 14.5-foot pole saw and pruner, a versatile 2-in-1 tool that makes tree trimming safer and easier. It combines sharp pruning shears for smaller branches with a durable carbon steel saw blade for thicker limbs, so you can handle everything from twigs to heavy branches without switching tools. The pruning shears cut branches up to 1.37 inches thick, while the triple-edged saw blade slices cleanly through larger wood. Built for durability, the cutting head stays sharp even after repeated use. To save effort, it's equipped with a 16.5-foot rope and a 4-pulley system that reduces pulling force by up to 50%, making overhead cutting far less tiring. Available in adjustable lengths, 10.5 feet or 14.5 feet, the stainless steel pole provides solid support and rust resistance. Whether you're trimming palms, shrubs, or tall trees, this pole saw lets you reach high safely from the ground.